Okay, this is the 48 by 44 by 48 pallet cover folding. This is a pallet of them started. You can see how they are folded with a board on top to keep the flaps from coming up. Okay, and we will show you how to fold the next one in the batch here. Okay guys, go right ahead. So this is a pre-made cover, which they are going to fold exactly like you saw on that pallet. Okay. Now the critical piece here is where you fold the flaps in. So Jonathan, that is the crease where the pallet cover was made, and you're going 2 inches outside of that.
It's about 3 inches.
About 3 inches outside of that.
Yeah.
Remy, your side is the same way, right?
No, this side is right on the crease.
Excuse me. Your side is on the crease, so it's only one side that has to be 3 inches outside the crease, and by doing that, you have a gap in the middle.
Yeah.
And then you take that, you put it on top the opposite way, remove the board, and put the board on top of the next one. And that's how you get to 150 on a pallet the way we fold them.